Welcome back to Ponderosa Garden Adventures. I'm Sharon,
I'm Mark.
and today we're going to talk about our grapevine. And you can see it here behind us. It's really outgrown the space that we have for it, and so we decided to come up with an alternative to give it more space to ramble and also beautify our garden, and that is with an archway.
So instead of just extending the trellis we already have, we're going to put an archway over the pathway and let it crawl over that. And the design we decided on was to get an extra large cattle panel, bend it into an archway, and let it grow over that. We don't know, given the length of the cattle panel, if it's going to be high enough. So we both did some calculations. I'm going to show you my calculations right now. Sharon decided just to eyeball it.
Yes.
We're going to have a contest to see who got the closest to the height of the archway. We used an extra large mesh on the cattle panel, so it's going to be an archway with grapevines growing over it, creating shade, and then there will be clumps of grapes, clusters, or
This is what we envision. Yeah,
there will
we're
be
going to
bunches of grapes hanging down from
right.
the arbor.
And of course, there'll be solar lights on that as well, so that will have beauty. It'll give the grapevine a place to grow, and hopefully win-win. So, and some of us don't calculate and do things. We do when we need to, but some of us just like to kind of eyeball it. It might be a patience thing, not sure. But so let's go. Come along with us and watch our process.
All right, and here you can see where we're going to put the arch. This is the wedding arch right here. As you can see, these branches here are sticking way out from the archway. So we want to put, from this wedding archway. So we want to put another archway right here and lift these up, because this is becoming very problematic. These little tendrils are very grabby. They will grab onto your clothing, your hair, your ears, and whatnot. So we have to get these up off the ground. I'll take a look from this side. As you can see, I'm going to get these up off the ground and over an archway going over this way to the fence, somewhere right about here. So start here and over here. So we're going to put some stakes here, a couple stakes right here, and attach the archway to that. And also, as you can see, we have lots and lots of grapes already. There are clumps of grapes here and upper reaches. Look at all those grapes. All right, that is the mission. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is tie these vines off so we can move the trellis. It's going to go right here, and so we need to move these off to the side, and then we'll drape them over the top. As you can see, they're trying to connect to each other. I'm just going to take this string, try to tie this off, just grab it onto the string. It really wants to climb. And gently, these will break very easily, so gently pulling it over to the side. This over here. Nice. I think we did it. All right, now we'll get these strings. This one tied over here. And I think, actually, this one, I'm just going to hook it. Got a knob over here. I'm just going to hook it over this knob. So stage one's done. We've got the vines that were hanging out all tied up, and then when we're done, we'll just untie those and drape it over. way faster than a mallet.
Oh, the spike, well, I guess the staple can go in. No, I had it. Okay.
Perfect. You're good.
Well, yeah, but I want it to stay. I won't be able to hit it in. You're good. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
That might be this way.
Yeah, it's gonna, that's what I was saying. It's gonna just sit by the tension of this. Okay, now this one we have to lift up.
Okay.
So inside the fence, away from the little things there. And that's why we want to get the mulch around the bottom. Can you fit the mulch around the bottom of the...
Alright, so I'm just gonna put a zip tie around here. Go through here, just actually it's good to put it in the back so you don't have that.
Right. Secure the...
We're just gonna
cut off the tail.
cut off the tail here. There we
go.
I need
All
to
right. Zip ties.
look at the other.
Yep. On each one of these. Get the idea.
This one's already covered. The vines have already covered.
Yeah. But just to hold it in place. right, well, thank you for joining us today, putting up our cattle panel, which is going to be our grapevine trellis. And I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. We're going to get some twinkle lights on this, and we'll be back to show you grapes, hopefully dangling from the top. Right?
And we still have to measure, see how tall this is. So
Yep.
we'll see who got closest. And
we are measuring how tall the arch is. And let me get up here and get up close so we can see it.
Where our plan is to make this into just sort of an arbor down here, and it's really nice and quiet and secluded back here. So
a private tunnel that'll bring you back to blueberries and raspberries and pineapples back in our secret tunnel back here.
Yeah, fruit tunnel. And so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode. As always, thanks for watching Ponderosa Garden Adventure.
If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, share with friends, comment below, let us know if you put in a cattle panel, and if you have, what are you growing on it. See you next time.